All right, so sorry, the first video had you one. So we are going to look at how to be able to do a presentation, let's say a professional presentation. And I'm doing this because of an experience that I saw from someone. The person was like deleting slides here, um, presenting and then skipping, and then at a point that is not professional. When you are doing presentation, you don't have to be sliding and then be skipping some slides and whatsoever. It creates a bit of curiosity in the people who are watching or who are listening to you, and then they begin to ask, why are you skipping that slide? Why? If you don't take time, people keep reversing you here and there. So I want to show us how to be able to do a professional presentation on my screen. So let's go. Sitting outside, there's a lot of fire at me. We can go ahead and then great. So I have some. I was supposed to present a particular work to University of Cape Coast. That was last week that I prepared on this particular topic. Not in mode at the moment. We are just on the slide mode. Now, when you are on the slide mode like this, obviously you want to go to presentation mode, and then you are good to go. And then in that order. So you can present all the way up to the last one. All the way up to the last one. Tap on escape key, and then you are back to your slide the mode. Now, as you can see, maybe my picture might be blocking, but as you can see, I have 61 slides. Now, I was given 15 minutes to do this presentation. You can't present 61 slides in 15 minutes. Even no matter how speedy you are, you might just be skipping or just be sliding, and that's all. That's not presentation. So, am I supposed to delete some of this when I am? No. What am I supposed to do? Now, this is why I'm doing this video. To present your slides like this, or to prepare your slides for any professional presentation, two things must be in your mind. One, you are presenting some of the slides to the people so that they'll know what you are presenting. Two, you are reserving some of the slides for questions that you have already anticipated. So we prepare slides for these two things in mind. Some of the slides are the ones you are actually going to do the presentation. Some of the slides are there purposely to help answer questions because you would have expected some of the questions that will come. So you have slides that will help you to be able to address them. But those slides will not form part of the presentation. So how are you going to take them out? First method, hide all those slides. So let's say I don't want to present the presentation outline, obviously not necessary. Overview here might not be necessary. So slide 1 and 2, I don't want to present them. But I want to present slide 4 and then in that order. So you come to slideshow, here click on slideshow, and then come to slide 2. I don't want to present slide 2. Click on that and then come and click hide. It will automatically hide slide 2. Then I don't want to present slide 3. Then I'll click on slide 3 and come and hide it. Slide 3 is currently hiding. Then I can go all the way and say I don't want to present slide 8. So I'm going to hide it, and then in that order. So now, if I want to present this slides, if I go to presentation mode, let's see. So I come and click on my presentation mode here. Now, if I tap next, you notice that it jumps all the way. Okay, I think I needed to, maybe I have already done some customization and I did not remove it. I think so. Is here. So here and so I'll come and what that means. So here from moves to slide 4. As you can see at the right here, it moves to slide 4. Then again, it moves to slide 5. But it will, you see that it moved to slide 9. It has escaped. It will not present all those slides that you have hidden. And then that's one of the ways. So you prepare many slides, but you present the one that you want to present. And the one you don't want to present, you hide them. So immediately you project, people only see the ones you want to present. And the one that you are hiding, they will not see that one. But now I have finished presentation and people are asking questions. But the question was supposed to, the answers of the questions are supposed to be in slide 8. But when I was presenting, nobody saw slide 8. So I'll now come and then click on slide 8 so everybody can see it. That's what it is, the AMR prevalence in Africa. So that's one of the ways what do we do? We actually try to hide some of the slides we don't want. So now let's come again. Another thing we need to pay attention to is, so I'm going to unhide all of them. I'm unhiding. Again, I have unhidden all of them. Then I'll click on save, and then everything is saved now. The next thing to do is you can also customize. Your slideshow. So still on the slideshow, you can see custom slideshow. So you click on that, and then come and click custom show, and then you come and click on new. Then the new here allows you to be able to select the slides you want to present. So let's say I want to present from slide 1. I want to present slide 4 this time around. So I'll click on slide 1. Then I'll come and click on slide 4. I want to click on slide 8. And then let me scroll up a bit. And then slide 11. These are all the slides I want to present. The rest, I want to keep them for answers, questions and answers. So when you have selected all of them, you click on add. They will all go to this particular side. And then if you're okay, you click okay. Now you can actually edit it and add one more slide if you think, or remove any of them if you don't want. And if you want to remove the entire customize, then you come and remove it here. But now we are okay. So we can click close, or we can show those particular slides. So I'll come here and then show. So here you notice that if I say, then it goes to slide 4, go to slide 8, slide 11, and then it comes back to slide 1 again, because I have activated something we call looping. I will also explain what looping is. So you notice that even though all the slides are together, but because I have customized the ones I want to present, only those slides come. Slide 1, slide 4, 8, and then 11. That's all. So if I press tab on the next one, it will come back to slide 1. So if I had, and then that is another way that we can customize it. You can customize as many as possible. So that was the first custom. I can come here and click another custom again. Here, I say new. This time around, I am presenting, let's say, maybe the last slice. So I'll say 57, 58, 59, 60, and then that's all. Come and click on add, and then you click OK, and then that is it. So if I am going to do my presentation, I will choose custom show 2, and then come and say show. So it's going to present only those particular slides, and then in that order. And then that is how one of the ways we customize our slides. So you can see whatever, it just fall within that particular slice alone. And then that's it. Now, apart from the customization, you can also create a range. I want to present from this particular slide to this particular last slide. So I'm going to remove all the customs. So I'll come here, 1, remove. It is and then 2, also remove 2, and then that's it. Then I close it, and that's it. So I click here, and then that is it. Now, Let's also assume that this is my slideshow, and then I'm back to my slide one. But I want to set up my slideshow. So here, this was the looping that I was talking about. If I remove this loop and I present to the last slide, it will not automatically loop back to the first slide. It will just end over there. And when I press next, it will get back to what is it, slide mode, not presentation mode. Now, here, when we want to set up our presentation, what we do is, right, you come and click on slide, click on set up slideshow, and we come here. Let's say I want to present from slide 23 all the way to slide 33, just only 10 slides. So you come and click here, and then come to this particular place and change it from 23 all the way, come on, to what? To 33. And then I am good. Now, if I click OK, that's it. So now, if I go to slide mode, now check, this is my slide one. So let me go to presentation mode, and let's see. So you see that presentation mode, it will automatically jump to slide 23, as you can see on the right hand side, which is here. And then when I tap like this, it will go all the way. When I get to slide 33, that's it. Yeah, you see that that's the end. And then it comes back to. But when I go out of the presentation mode, it gets back to my